Welcome to Georgia, guys!
We have crispy pata, kabayan. Masarap crispy pata.
Rito, peace! Peace! So yung clock tower, guys, yung nadaanan natin na sa likod. Hey everyone, welcome back again to my channel. It's me again, your nurse Craves Travel, and we are here for another day of Craventures, guys. Still, we're here in Tbilisi, Georgia. So, ang time na ngayon, guys, is 2:35 p.m. and it's 9 degrees. Mas maganda yung ating temperatura ngayong araw. Kakain lang tayo, guys, for today. And then, mag-walk around the area kung ano yung mga pwede nating puntahan. So, without further ado, guys, samahan nyo kami for today's Craventure, for today's walking tour and lakad. Let's travel the world together, one Craventure at a time. I like the vibe ngayon kasi maliwanag, may araw, malamig, pero mala Japan lang ang peg. Hindi siya ganun ka, sobrang lamig and gloomy. Andito tayo sa underpass, guys. Tawid lang tayo ng highway. Tingnan yung underpass nila, ganito lang siya. And lakad na kami, guys. Makita ko yung surroundings niyo. So yun, guys, nalala ko na naman yung nakorap na videos natin for 2 days. From dating natin dito sa Tbilisi, na iwan na lang sa akin is yung paalis ng airport dito sa may Shota Rustaveli International Airport. Yun lang. So, ang daming mga clips na nakurap. Yung mga clips ko sa phone, yun na lang yung gagamitin natin, guys. And hopefully, maybe makapunta tayo ulit sa mga places na yun. And, yala! So, ayan, meron na tayong bus. Metro card, Metro Money card. Ito yung gagamitin natin, guys, for today. So, kung sasakay kayo ng train, bus, and cable car, ito yung gamit, guys. I think mas okay ito pag nagbabudget kayo na ayaw nyo ng bold ng bold. And then, Google Maps lang, guys. So ayun, guys, card pala, guys. One tap lang, ha. Isang card, isang tap, sakay na. No need na mag-tap palabas. Credit cards, Visa cards, okay lang siya, guys, dito. Pwede mo siya magamit sa mga transpo nila. And then Apple Pay, pwede rin, guys. Tap mo lang yung phone mo, basta Apple Pay, ganun. And then ang pamasahe, 1 lari lang. So, tipid na yun, guys. Pwede mo gamitin sa metro, sa bus. So ayun, guys, we're currently walking dito sa Galleria Tbilisi. Ito na yung building. Dito sa may lane ng Shota Rustaveli Avenue. So ito, guys, yung daytime in Shota Rustaveli. And then nasa harap ko na yung Liberty Square, kung nasaan yung statue ni St. George. Dito yung Freedom Square. Pakita ko sa inyo saglit, bago ang lahat. Nakita ko na rin si Mother of Georgia dun sa taas. Pakita ko lang, kasi bababa pala kami sa ilalim, underground. So ito, guys, si Freedom Square kay St. George. Nandito na tayo sa ilalim ng rotonda dito sa may Liberty Square. So, nag-walk lang tayo. So, may makita kayong mga bilihan dito. Ayan. Dito nagagamit yung mga underpass nila. Dito rin pala tayo dadaan. So, Google Maps lang guys yung ginagamit namin para ma-navigate yung place. So, ito yung ating Liberty Square. Ayan guys. Yan si St. George. Let's go. Mas maganda yung yung panahon ngayon. Nice. So ayun guys, nandito na tayo sa Old Tbilisi. Yung shifting ng kita nyo naman guys, yung shifting ng place, may mga stone na to. Yung daanan, tingnan nyo, may ba siya sa modern na daanan. Welcome here in Old Tbilisi Town. Bali ako ng sinabi. Old Town Tbilisi pala siya. Old Town Tbilisi. Yung change nung yung vibe from modern to Old Town. Tingnan nyo.
Suddenly, the world I used to know, I see it differently. You woke me from a dream, now here's reality. Baby, baby, you are really hurting me. 'Cause every time you tell me I look good and that I'm doing fine, but nothing ever changes. And now I see.
So, andito na tayo guys. Tsaka yan.
Stuck in repeat. Stop lying. I know you're playing your part, but baby, it's breaking my heart. How could I know? If you don't need me, just let me know when I go. Truthfully, the game that you've been playing felt so real to me. I once believed that you could be my destiny. Baby, baby, you are really hurting me. Who is she? How can you reject me so damn easily? Who are you and what are we? Baby, baby.
So ayun guys, daan na tayo kumain and four na. And so far guys, based on my observation, mas madaming guys ang kainan na puntahan dito sa Old Tbilisi area, dito sa Old Town Tbilisi. So kung gusto niyo pumunta na mas may vibe at madaming bilihan, dito kayo pumunta siguro mag-stay. Pero kung gusto niyo dun sa medyo city center, dun kayo sa may Chuta Rustaveli Avenue area. So far okay naman din doon sa inistayan namin. And this is the Old Tbilisi. Mas European ang vibe. Okay siya guys, treatment. Babalikan? Yes. Babay guys, masarap.
Dalawa sila recommend.
4 out of 5.
Cheese with isa natikman na na.
Mas gusto ko to kaysa yung sa una naming na nakain.
Kasi yun may toppings. Ito basic na. Plastic.
Hello, Philippine? Philippine. We have crispy pata, kabayan. Masarap crispy pata.
So ayun guys, this is one of the famous street na kainan with the resto bars. So kung gusto nyo rin kumain dito, may ayun guys, ate na mimilit ng crispy pata, kakakain lang natin. Maybe next time. So kung gusto nyo pumunta dito guys later on, try nyo again guys. Kaso kakakain lang namin. Maganda na may vibe dito guys. So ayun guys, kung gusto nyo pumunta ng Majan Bazaar, dito lang siya oh. Sa may Chimney Coffee. Here. So So ayun guys, ito lang makikita nyo din sa Median Bazaar, yung mga relics nila na binibenta sa market guys. So kung gusto nyo bumili ng mga lumang gamit, lumang design, pero meron mga modern ano naman sila mga benta dito guys. So yun, ito lang siya. Ganito lang siya. And labas na ulit tayo guys para makarami tayo.
Don't you want just to get a little bit too gone? Baby, I've been listening all night long. All night long. You're the one dancing with your cigarette. Carefree me, I wanna be with you all night long. All night long. Baby, you move me like a movie. You groove me like a groove. You're doing something to me. And I wanna be the one, I wanna be the one for you.
Ayun guys, medyo na-appreciate ko na yung ganda ng Georgia, Tbilisi. I mean the Georgia country itself. Ganda guys, buti hindi ganun kalamig ngayon.
Your head, I wanna let your power in all night long. All night long. Overtime, the way your body boogieing on mine, shaking, shimmy and sugar, yeah. All night long. All night long. Baby, you move me like a movie. You groove me like a groove. You're doing something to
Welcome to
me.
Georgia guys!
And I wanna be the one, I wanna be the one for you. We got nowhere to be, just a slow dance with the summer heat. The world outside can't wait a few, 'cause right now we got nothing else to do. The sun is peeking through the cotton white blinds. Your hands still tangled up in mine. Feet on the wall, your head on me, floating easy. We got nowhere to be. Got nowhere to be. Your hair's a mess, but you don't mind. You just laugh, let it fall where it lies. Coffee's cold, but we take a sip, talk about nothing.
Ayun guys, puntahan lang natin yung mga napuntahan natin nung first day, second day. So ito nga guys, nandito tayo sa may madang cable car papuntang Mother of Georgia. So ito yung mga nakurap na files ng ating memory card. So pakita ko sa inyo guys. Ito yung pataas na cable car going to Mother of Georgia. Doon sa taas. Doon guys, doon. So ayan yung cable car area.
Oh, it feels like that, like the summer rain that falls so slowly on the naked skin.
You wanna say hi? Hi! So ayun guys, ito yung sinakyan namin nung first day papuntang Mother of Georgia. Kaso wala, nakurap yung ating file. So pakita ko sa inyo ulit.
Feels like that. Feels like.
So guys, dito naman yung right part. Lakad tayo dito sa may park nila. Ito lang sa may sakayan ng cable car.
Feels like that. Na 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 na. Feels like that. Oh, it feels like that.
So ayun guys, kung gusto niyo ng park na gusto niyo magtambay, magpahangin, magmuni-muni, I think maganda dito. Ang daming upuan. Maganda yung timing ng punta namin ngayon kasi hindi siya ganun kalamig. And then, hindi siya gloomy. Ayan, kung gusto niyo ring sumakay dito sa balloon nila dito, kung gusto niyo yung slow facing lang na tour gaya ng ginagawa namin, you can do it naman din guys. Siya si Mother of George. Maliit siya sa screen. Pero, doon siya napuntahan na namin yan. So, lakad-lakad lang tayo. Matry natin yung gabi ng Bridge of Peace. So, let's go! Ayun guys, nakikita ko na ang Bridge of Peace. So, pwede na natin siyang daanan guys. Ito lang siya oh. Nasa likod ko na. Bridge of Peace for the second time around. Let's go! So ayun guys, we're done here at Bridge of Peace. Peace. Actually, napuntahan na namin siya ng medyo maliwanag. So, yung clock tower, guys, yung nadaanan natin nasa likod. And, tatry na namin mag-city mall and tignan natin kung maganda ba yung mall nila dito. So, ganda ng surroundings. The area is giving... So ayun guys, nandito na tayo sa City Mall ng Tbilisi. So pasok lang tayo guys. Ito na yung building. Let's go! So ayun guys, hello mga travel cravers. And ito, pauwi na kami sa aming Airbnb. Hindi ko na kayo naisama sa lakad-lakad namin sa loob ng mall. Pero nagbus lang kami pabalik dito sa area. And let's call it a day na guys. So ayun guys, tomorrow is another Craventures ulit. Pero mag-edit muna ako ng videos natin. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And click the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga videos guys. And let's travel the world one Craventure at a time. Bye bye guys. And just